Hello Apex entrepreneurs and welcome to this video. Are you ready to know how much money we've made on Udemy last month in one of our accounts? Are you ready to learn how you can do the same or even better? According to a study made by market research firm Global Industry Analysts, the e-learning market size is expected to grow beyond $400 billion in 2025. E-learning is growing really fast, and you should definitely think about taking a piece of the pie. And don't worry, it's not the kind of pie that's going to make you fat. And if you're interested in making passive income out of e-learning, and I'm not sure why you wouldn't be, you should meet Udemy. Udemy is one of the biggest e-learning platforms that ever existed, with more than 30 million students and 50,000 instructors teaching courses in more than 60 languages. So if you have any valuable skill, and I am pretty sure you do, you can make a course on it and sell it on Udemy. In this way, you'll be helping people to master this skill, and you'll be earning money each time someone buys your course. It could be any skill, no need to have a degree in it. If you've mastered a language, you can make a course and help other people master this language. You can create courses on photography, dancing, drawing, interior design, or any other skill you've mastered and get paid for it. Millions of people are visiting Udemy every month. A portion of these people will be interested in buying courses in your niche. If they liked the sales pitch of your course, they will buy your course and you will earn your royalty. If you really master it, earning passive income will be as easy as destroying the like and the subscribe buttons right now. Usually, courses on Udemy are almost always on sale, so people can buy them at $10 for $12. And it depends on many factors, but usually you can expect to earn on average $4 to $5 per sale. So if you have 10 courses on Udemy and you have made 50 sales for each month of them per month, you can expect a monthly income between $2,000 and $2,500. We've prepared for you a complete free course to teach you how to earn at least $2,000 just by uploading your courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. To watch this free course, all you have to do is click here or on the first link in the description. But wait, you should know that this is not a get-rich-quick method. You need to put a lot of work up front before enjoying the money falling into your bank account. Now, let's go back to see how much money we've made on Udemy in May 2020, and I bet you're excited to know. Before checking the numbers, you should know that we literally didn't lift a finger in the last month, so it was a completely passive income. So, the pre-tax amount was $1,844.29, and there was $219 withholding tax. So what we have made was $1,625.29. And that's not all. On this Udemy account, we promote others' products, and when someone buys them, we get a commission. For those who don't know, that's what we call affiliate marketing. So for example, if you have a course that teaches yoga, you can promote yoga gadgets on Amazon and earn commission for every sale you make. Usually, we make between $300 and $500 per month affiliate marketing with our Udemy courses. And this month, we have made $341.50. But wait, we haven't finished yet. So, if you're an expert in a certain field, and if people loved your course, they will naturally contact you and ask you to give them private lessons. For example, in May 2020, we had 2 students. One took 6 hours of coaching, and another took 3 hours of coaching. So that's another $900 since we charge $100 per hour. But wait, we still have revenues from Skillshare, and we've uploaded all our courses on Skillshare as well. So if we go to Skillshare, we can see that we've made $1,080.71 on May 2020. So if we sum up all our earnings, we get $1,625.29 from Udemy, plus $341.50 affiliate, plus $900 coaching, plus $1,080.71 from Skillshare equals $3,947.50. We only worked 9 hours for the coaching, and the rest is completely passive income. And this is only a side hustle for us, not even our main activity. Imagine if you go full-time on Udemy and Skillshare and you create a new course each month. You can definitely hit 6 figures. I know that a lot of you might start making excuses like, oh, I don't have a PhD in Photoshop to create a course about it. Oh, I don't like to film myself on a camera. Oh, I don't have time and nobody will buy my courses anyway. Well, the good news is that you don't need a Wharton MBA or PhD to create a course. You just have to be knowledgeable in a certain niche. And I know you are. And then you will have to wrap up all your knowledge in a beautiful course. And you definitely don't have to film yourself. You can create animated videos like this one if you want. And guess what? People love animated courses and would love to have a quality course to help them learn and achieve their goals. So you really don't have any excuse. That's why now you should be thinking about how to begin your path as an online instructor. And we also have super good news. We've prepared you a free video course on this subject. We will teach you how to make at least $2,000 a month just by uploading videos on Udemy and Skillshare. To watch this course, just click here or in the first link in the description. And once you're on our landing page, you'll be asked to enter your best email and that's it. We will teach you 5 essential tips to succeed in this business and start earning passive income online. That's it for this video. If you like it, please show us some love by liking, sharing, and destroying the subscribe button. By the way, if you're still here while the music is running, here are 2 videos that you'll love watching. The first one will show you the one thing that rich people buy that poor people don't. And the second one will show you how to become a millionaire in your 20s or early 30s. Just click on either one of them on the screen right here.